Let's make a slip pocket. You need 2 pieces of fabric, 5 inches by 5 inches. We place them right sides together, line them up, pin, and you will leave a 2.5 inch opening for turning right sides out. Take this to your sewing machine and sew around the perimeter using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Trim the seam allowance down to about 1/8 and turn your pocket right sides out. Fold the opening inwards and take it back to your sewing machine and sew it closed.